What's going on, YouTube? Check this out. Just came back from getting my mail and I saw this, a wild turkey. See if I can get close. Just rummaging through where my bougainvillea is and my fuchsia. Let me see. Right there. Just kicking it. It's hot out here, so I guess, of course, for the insects and stuff like that. Isn't that great? Kind of looks like a velociraptor on the head. But yeah, nature's crazy. Just looking at me, it's like, man, I don't want to be on YouTube. What the hell's wrong with you? But too bad. You're going to be infamous right here. So just quick update. The turkey's in my front yard. So enjoy. Late.